Friday the 15th of June, my name's Steve Buswell and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. We'll begin with the technical analysis. Up first is the euro dollar. If price holds its current momentum, price will continue to rise above daily pivot approaching resistance R1. Rise above this level will be indicating next objective at R2, where price will be limited and correction will follow. Decline below daily pivot will negate previous conclusions, and it could be the beginning of a downward move. Based on the conclusions for each indicator and chart analysis, we're expecting a bullish trend. Now let's move on to the dollar yen. Price was able to decline below S1 and now is falling towards S2. Deeper decline will open its way towards support S3, where price may rebound. It seems we can expect relatively sharp decline, but after that sharp correction will follow. The conclusions made by Axiory's chosen indicators show a bearish trend. Next up is the sterling dollar. If price holds above daily pivot, we can expect a further rise towards R1, where we can expect consolidation before decline. On the downside, decline below daily pivot will be indicating target at S1 support, and it may negate previous conclusions. The summary of our indicators show a bullish trend. Our last technical analysis is the dollar franc. Price declined below daily pivot, which is now indicating target S1 support, and further fall towards S2 hasn't been excluded. Also, price may be moving sideways and could break above daily pivot soon, which would negate previous assumption, and price will focus on resistance R1. The vast majority of our indicators show a bearish trend. At 9:30 AM GMT, UK is going to publish data about their trade balance, which is expected to be in deficit 8.5 billion. In a previous month, trade balance was also in deficit at 8.6 billion. Analysts are expecting medium impact on the sterling. Next at 2 PM GMT, Department of Treasury will release monthly figures about US long-term purchases. In a previous month, purchases reached 36.2 billion and now is expected to rise to 45.3 billion and a medium impact on the dollar. US statistics about industrial production will be reported at 2:15 PM GMT. It's expected by analysis that production will deteriorate from previous 1.1% to a current 0.1%. Moreover, medium impact on the dollar can be awaited. Our last news today will concern about the US Prelim consumer sentiment, which will be published at 2:55 PM GMT. Analysts are expecting decline from 79.3 to 77.5 points and a high impact on the dollar. That's nearly it for this week's broadcast. But before we leave you, there are 3 tables on your screens of the best traders on Axiory, and you have the opportunity of joining them. First 2 places in MIRRORTRADER haven't recorded any change from Thursday, but Rikki Tikki Tavi FX strategy fell to 455.6 pips. The FX multiplier in MultiTrader was able to continue and rise and added 0.37% to its monthly gain. Also, India Rose recorded rise, but much less, only 0.08%, and Low Risk Invest rose 0.03%. LW Trading fell 2%, which is the biggest change in this platform because the other 2 positions remained unchanged. Johnny Jang is at 469% and Whitestone Asset remained at 306%. And on this day today, about 7:45, I really hope that England beats Sweden in the Euros, giving them a great chance to win their group. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a profitable day, a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday.